Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use sound equalizer of your Sennheiser earbuds. So first of all, you have to select Support through Wireless in your application, and next you have to scroll down and find Equalizer. Click on it once. Right now we can simply set the custom preset by tapping right here. So set the name, and in this place we can simply adjust bass, mid and treble by using these sliders. To save, just click on the blue button, click OK. When you tap in this place, we can find presets. As you can see, here we have few presets, and here we have our own preset. So if you want to switch, for example for hip hop, just click on it once, and as you can see here we got the preview how it is set up. You can also reset any preset by tapping right here, and when you open these presets one more time, you are also able to remove them. So as you can see, that's how it works. You can also turn on this switcher to enable the special EQ preset for speech clarity. It's called podcast. And yeah, that's how it looks with this Sennheiser earbuds. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.